Hi everyone. Machine A makes 40% of bottles produced at a factory. Machine B makes the rest. Machine A spoils 5% of its product, while Machine B spoils only 2%. We're going to use a tree diagram to determine the probability that the next bottle inspected at this factory is going to be spoiled. So let's get started on it. So what we want to do is do a tree diagram, appropriate one apparently. So let's draw two lines here for machine A and machine B. Now machine A is 40%. That means B should be 60%, because that would be 100%. Now from there you have to draw it again. So we want spoils is going to be 5%. So not spoil is 95% for machine A. Machine B only spoils 2%, which is less than that, and this is 98%. So let's mark that. This means spoiled, not spoiled, spoiled, not spoiled. So if you simplify this, you have AS, AN for not spoiled, machine B, so that's BS, and then BN. And you multiply these through, so this is going to be 40% times 5%. This one's going to be 40% times 95%. This one's going to be 60% times 2%. And this one's the last one's going to be 60% and then 98%. These are your four possible outcomes. This is equals. All right, now what we're going to do is look at what they want. Determine the probability that the next bottle inspected at this factory is spoiled. So where is it spoiled? The ones with the S's in them. So it's spoiled either at AS, so machine A, or BS, machine B, spoiled. Or in probability means you add. So let's add this up, and you're going to get the probability equals 40% times 5%, or, and this one, 60% times 2%. Using a calculator, that gives you 3.2%. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.